Welcome students, good morning all of you. So in the last video we discussed symmetry, line of symmetry, axis of symmetry. So today we are going to discuss number of lines of symmetry, like uh, number of lines of symmetry. So in this lecture we discuss those objects, those geometrical shapes which have more than one line of symmetry, like rectangle, square, circle, triangle, and so many other shapes. So there are some certain shapes like this. If we are talking about this, this has no line of symmetry, no line symmetry, because this is the irregular shape in the left side. But on the other hand, I am taking a star. I am taking a star. This star has one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry, four line of symmetry, and five lines of symmetry. So it has more than one line of symmetry. So today we are going to discuss such kind of shapes which has more than one line of symmetry. Is that clear? So firstly, we are taking the example of a simple geometrical figure, that is rectangular. Sorry, that is rectangle. Rectangle. Now take an rectangle. Now we already do the activity with the rectangle, uh, pay with page in the last video, the last lecture. I took a page and fold to uh, horizontally and vertically, so it has divided into these two shapes. Okay, so if we try to fold the rectangle during diagonals, its one half don't cover the second half, means it's one half, this one half don't overlap exactly this second half. So rectangle has just two line of symmetry. One is a vertical line of symmetry, this is a vertical line of symmetry, and this is a horizontal line of symmetry. Horizontal line of symmetry. So rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Rectangle has two lines of symmetry. On the other hand, if I am taking or I am saying about square, I am talking about square. So square has four lines, four sides, sorry, not lines, four sides. And we know that all sides are equal in length. In the square, all sides are equal. So square also has a vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, as well as it also shows diagonal line of symmetry. Diagonal line of symmetry. So we can say square has square has four lines of symmetry. Four lines of symmetry. Is that clear? So अब हम नेक्स्ट ज्योमेट्रिकल फिगर की बात करेंगे. वो है हमारे पास rectangles. Sorry, not rectangles, that is triangles. आई थिंक ये स्क्वायर और रेक्टेंगल वाला समझ आ गया होगा आपको। हम बाद में इनका एक चार्ट प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे। अगर मैं बात करूं ट्रायंगल्स की, so we know that there are three types of triangles according to their sides. First is equilateral triangle, second is isosceles, and last one is scalene triangle. So equilateral triangle, equilateral triangle. So please check out the spelling of equilateral. I think there is some mistake in the equilateral. You can check on yourself. Okay. So equilateral triangle. In the equilateral triangle, we know that all sides are equal. All sides are equal in length. All sides are equal in length. So this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So this triangle has one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, and similarly three line of symmetry. So triangle has three line of symmetry. Equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. Is that clear? So second type is isosceles triangle. Isosceles. In the isosceles triangles, any two sides are equal. Any two sides are equal. So say this one and this one has equal length, and this is a different side. So this such kind of triangle has only one line of symmetry. Isosceles triangle has only one line of symmetry. Is that clear? Now scalene triangle. We know that in the scalene triangle no sides are equal. So such kind of triangles have no line of symmetry, or these are asymmetrical in shapes. Is that clear? So up to this we discussed only three kinds of geometrical figures. First is rectangle. Rectangle has two lines of symmetry. Second is square. Square has four lines of symmetry. Then triangles. Triangles are divided into three parts, three types. So equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry due to all sides are equal. Isosceles triangles have one line of symmetry. इसके बाद इसकी कोई भी और लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं बनेगी। अगर आप इसको इसके अकॉर्डिंग फोल्ड करोगे तो इसका जो वन हाफ है जो सेकंड को कवर नहीं करेगा। ठीक है, आप इसको पेपर से बनाकर ड्रॉ करके देख लेना, फोल्ड करना। ठीक है, वो आपकी एक्टिविटी है। अगर हमारे पास टाइम हुआ तो हम नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में ओनली हम एक्टिविटीज ही करेंगे। ठीक है स्टूडेंट। सो scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. ठीक है, no symmetry in scalene triangle. So next है हमारे पास circles. Now we are going towards circle. इसमें 3D shapes भी आ जाएंगी। Cuboid, cube, they are very similar to the square and rectangle. Okay, cone is very similar to the triangle. Isosceles triangle, cone similar to the isosceles triangle. Okay, so next है हमारे पास circle. This is a center point. This is a circle ड्रॉ करते हैं पहले हम। सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लिया और दिस इज द सेंटर पॉइंट ऑफ द सर्कल. So how many line of symmetry in the circle? Circle has so many line of symmetry because circle has so many diameters. डायमीटर क्या होता है ये पूछोगे. वो स्ट्रेट लाइन जो सेंटर में से पास हो, सर्कल के दोनों एंड्स को टच करे, ठीक है, वो क्या होते हैं डायमीटर. तो आप बहुत से डायमीटर इसमें ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. जितने आप डायमीटर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो उतने इसकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री आ जाएंगी. यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, अब यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो, फिर यहाँ से हो जाएगा, यहाँ से हो जाएगा, ठीक है, यहाँ से हो जाएगा. मीन्स इसमें सो मेनी लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री बन जाएंगी. ओके, इनफाइनाइट लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बोल सकते हो आप. इनफाइनाइट लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री in the circle और so many line of symmetry. दोनों ही वर्ड्स अप्रोप्रिएट हैं सर्कल के लिए. either you can write infinite or a so many. These both words are appropriate to the circle when we are talking about the line of symmetry. Is that clear to everyone? तो नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है सर्कल का ही सब पार्ट, दैट इज सेमी सर्कल. सेमी सर्कल. So in the semicircle we have only one line of symmetry. This is the shape of semicircle. Semi means half, circle का half. So this have only one line of symmetry. Okay, semicircle has one line of symmetry. Okay student, is that clear? So this is the one line of symmetry in the semicircle. There are so many line of symmetry in the circles. So now we conclude the both results, and then we also conclude all the results of the geometrical shapes and make a table. So there is no need to draw the geometrical figures. Just in the table there is no need to draw the exact geometrical figures. Just name the geometrical figures and write the line of symmetry. There is the name of geometrical figures, name of diagram, then shape, number of line of symmetry, number of line of symmetry. So first है हमारे पास rectangle. Rectangle. So this is the shape of rectangle, either this side or this side. Okay. So how many line of symmetry in the rectangle? 2. Then square. This is the shape of square. All sides are equal. Sorry, this looks like a rectangle. Now it looks like a square. So in the square, how many number of lines in the square? Oh, sorry, number of line of symmetry in the square? There is 4. Then triangle. Number 1, scalene triangle. Scalene. No such sides are equal. Okay. So there is 0. Isoscales. Isoscales. In isoscales, 2 sides are equal. one line of symmetry. Okay. And in third, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. 3 line of symmetry. And in circle, this is the shape of circle. Infinite. Infinite. So many line of symmetry. Infinite. Or so many. So many line of symmetry. And at last, semicircle. Semicircle. In the semicircle, this is the shape of semicircle. One line of symmetry. Okay. I think ये आप सबको क्लियर हो गया होगा. ये आइसोस्केल्स का है. ये ट्रायंगल्स अलग कर दिया मैंने. सॉरी, ये स्केलन का है. ये आइसोस्केल्स का है. ये है हमारा इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का. ये है सर्कल का. एंड एट लास्ट है हमारा सेमी सर्कल. इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? इसके बिना भी हमारे पास कुछ और ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स होती हैं. लाइक हमारे पास है कुछ ऐसे हैं. यहाँ पर डी बनी हुई है, यहाँ पर डी है और यहाँ पर सर्कल है. इसकी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बतानी है आपने. ठीक है, ये बन जाएगी, ये बन जाएगी. ऐसे भी फोल्ड कर सकते हो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो. ओके. अगर हमारे पास अगर इनकी शेप ऐसी हो, यहाँ पर डी बनी हुई है, क्या होगा, सेंटर बन जाएगा. ठीक है. फिर ऐसे भी आ सकती है, देख लेना आप. ठीक है. अब कोशिश करना आप मैक्सिमम फिगर्स को देखकर भी उसमें कितनी लाइन्स ऑफ सिमेट्री आ सकती हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट. तो ये था आज का लेक्चर. अब हमारा एक टॉपिक रहेगा इसका, वो है रिफ्लेक्शन सिमेट्री का. आई थिंक वो हम कल कवर कर लेंगे. अगर आप चाहते हो आज करना तो आज कवर कर सकते हैं हम.